The Titanic, Tragedy of the Unsinkable. April 10, 1912. The RMS Titanic, a marvel of engineering and opulence, embarks on its maiden voyage. Dubbed unsinkable, it carried the dreams of 2,200 souls, tycoons, immigrants, and crew, all unaware of the icy fate awaiting them in the North Atlantic. The ship of dreams. Titanic's grandeur, interiors, passengers, luxury beyond. Compare 269 meters long, 53 meters high, costing $7.5 million. $7.5 million, $400 million today. Stained glass domes, grand staircases, Turkish baths, and a heated pool, a floating palace. Safety over confidence. 16 watertight compartments, double-bottom hull. White Star Line's VP declared, "Not even God could sink this ship." Passengers, millionaires like John Jacob Astor, actresses and hopeful immigrants chasing the American dream. Iceberg warnings, ignored icebergs, radio room reenactment. April 12-14, 1912. Multiple ice warnings flood the radio. Crew dismisses them. Captain Smith maintains full speed, 21.5 knots, 40 km/h, to break records. Moonless night. Critical detail. No moonlight to spot icebergs. Lookouts rely on binoculars, which were locked away. 11:39 p.m., April 14th, lookout. Frederick Fleet spots the iceberg. Iceberg right ahead. First Officer Murdoch orders a hard left turn, too late. The iceberg tears a 300-foot gash, flooding 6 compartments. The unsinkable ship has 2 hours left. Chaos and heroism. 12 a.m., distress signals flare. Nearby SS Californian, 37 km away, ignores rockets, its captain asleep. Only Carpathia, 107 km away, races to help, but arrives too late. Lifeboat shortage, 20 lifeboats, capacity 178 for 2,200 people. Women, children first. First lifeboat launched with 28 of 65 seats filled. 2:05 a.m. Last lifeboat departs, 1,500 remain. The ship splits, stern rising, propellers glinting in the air. 2:20 a.m. Titanic vanishes. The screams. I'll never forget. Then silence. Just the stars watching. 706 survivors, rescued by Carpathia. 1,514 perish, many frozen in two-mast waters. Captain Smith's fate debated, heroism or suicide. Investigations. Blame on Captain Lord, Californian, White Star Line's greed and flawed safety culture. Solace Treaty, 1914. Mandates 24/7 radios, lifeboats for all, and the International Ice Patrol. 1985 wreck discovery. Bacteria slowly devour the unsinkable legend. By 2030, Titanic will be gone. Sunset over ocean plus Titanic. The Titanic's story is a haunting reminder of hubris and humanity, yet its legacy sails on, in safety laws, in our fascination with the deep, and in the echoes of those lost voices, forever whispering across the Atlantic.